Good day, everyone. I hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's episode, we're gonna create a nice number memory game, which will be very fun to create it. And here you see we have two squares here, and as soon I'm gonna refresh it, as soon we pass 2 seconds, disappear, and you're gonna guess the correct order. And if you're guessing the correct order, you are getting to the next level. If you're not guessing obviously the correct order, then you're downgrade the level and go to the previous one. Now I'm going to show you a short demo about that. We have at the beginning level 1 2 squares until 1 2 we are having nice correct sound. 1 2 3 I'm guessing correct order, and let me guess now to the wrong order. And you see now I downgrade the level. I have 3 squares, which is the level 2. I'm going to downgrade to level 1. And if I guess one more time wrong, I'm not going to the minus values. We have only 2 squares. So without any further ado, let's jump into the build and we're going to have a lot of fun. I guarantee you. Stay with me. See you in the build. So before we jump into the video, please don't forget to like this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. So now I created a project on VS Code and I named it number memory game. And here I'm going to create a directory which I'm going to put my sound effects, sounds, I'm going to name it like this. And out of this directory, I'm going to make my index.html. Those are the basics of JavaScript game coding, style.css. And after that, I'm going to link everything together. app.css, GS. Okay, I'm coming inside my index.html. I put the exclamation mark and I press the tab button. And after that creation, I'm going to link my style.css file here. Style.css. That's great. I'm going to also link my JavaScript file here. Okay. And in this folder that I've created, I'm going to put my 2 sounds that I've downloaded from web. And I'm going to put down the links in order to download them the same, and download them, of course. I put them here inside. They're nice. And here inside my body, I'm gonna create a board div, and that's all for this. And here in style.css, I'm gonna make my basics. Style.css asterisks margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box, obviously. I'm gonna give body some extras. Min height, sorry, where am I? Min height of 100 view height and background of black. Okay, let's open side by side everything. I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to put my web browser to the right side and my VS Code to the left side. After that, I'm going to code the board. Let me check. I'm going to close this. I'm going to style the board. I grab the file, styling the class. I'm going to say height. How much should we do? 8 view height. And for the width, I'm gonna say width of 50 view width. Okay. And here I'm gonna give some border in order to see what we've got in our result. Solid white. Okay, you can width, but this is gonna be position absolute, of course. Okay, I'm going to do it also here. Position absolute. I'm going to position it to the middle of the screen. Left 50%. I'm going to put it a little bit up. Okay. Transform. Translate minus 50% in order to center it exactly to the center. It's great. Let's see what we've got here. Okay. And also I'm going to create for the beginning a square here. And I'm going to style it. I'm going to put inside 1. Okay. Let's style the square. Grab square class. I'm going to say position absolute in order to position it randomly inside the board. I'm going to give the height of 50 pixel. And how much should we give? Also do it 50 pixel. I'm going to give the border of 1 pixel solid white. Okay. Nice. I'm going to say display. Also, I'm going to keep the color white in order for the text to be seen. Sorry, white. Save it. Oh, ugly. Also here, I'm going to say font size 1.5 rem. Let me see. Okay, a little bit more if you want in the future. Display flex. Justify content. Center. Okay, also align item center. Align item center. Okay. These will be our squares inside our board. Will be positioning randomly, and then we are gonna make it click it by the order in order to get to the next level. If we are wrong, we're gonna go to previous level, and our square will be minus then the next level. But if we are 2 squares, which is level 1, then we are not gonna go more down. It will stay at this level until we pass to the next one. Okay then. Okay. I'm going to delete this. Everything will be generating dynamically, not static. Edit this. Okay, deleting the square here. Okay, I delete it. I'm going inside my app.js file. And let's have some fun. The const board equal document dot query selector board. Okay, I'm gonna put also the audio files, new audio. Sorry. I'm gonna give the shortcut. What was the name? Sounds. Sounds and wrong. .mp3. Okay. Also for the correct one. Sorry. .mp3. That's fine. Let's do another few variables, global variables. The one will be square count, which will be 2, and our index, which will be equal initial to 0. And as soon as we click, we're going to increase each time we click the index, and if it's equal and correct, obviously we're going to jump to the next level, or if it's wrong in our guesses, we're going to go downgrade the level until we are guessing the right. Okay, I'm going to do create square here, a function, non-value function here. Then we're gonna say we're gonna do a for loop here. For loop a equals 1, a is minus and equal to square count a plus plus. Okay. So what we've got, we're gonna create the square document dot create element div. We're gonna give the class name div. Where's my head? Am I okay now here? Did I put a little bit down, more small? Me? Not too much important because now here I'm okay. I'm going to say square dot class list at square, and then in square text content equal to a that to string. Okay. And now we're going to do 2 random guesses, which will be the height of our board and the width, according to the width of our board game. Now, let x equal math dot floor math dot random according what's going to calculate the board dot width, planned width, or inner width. Can I do that? Yes, inner width. Inner height. Inner HTML not. Okay. Planned width. Okay. Planned width. Planned width. And here I'm going to do for let y equal to math. Sorry. Equal to math dot floor. And let me see. Math dot random. And for the y value will be board dot client height. Okay. So I say square dot style dot left equals x plus pixels, and for our top value will be style dot top equals to y plus, and after that we're going to add this square to our board. I'm going to say board dot append child square. Let's check if everything is going fine. Create square, and I think I'm going to put some value in order not to stick to the one to the top of the other. Let me check. Okay, 1, 2. Is it sticky? Nope. That's totally fine. That's great. So let's continue. I'm gonna put this to the side. Okay, I'm gonna lower it down a little bit. And after that, let's also do something at the beginning. A board. Be sure. I'm gonna clear the board each time I create the squares, before I create this square. Okay. Do we match it? Okay. Is it okay? Oh. Okay. Also to the style of square, I'm gonna say cursor pointer. Is it pointer? Yes, it is pointer now. Put some more. Okay. Let's move on. What's next? Okay. Here now we are grabbing all the squares. Equal document dot document dot query selector all, of course. Square. Okay. Let's check if everything working fine. Square dot length. Can we get it? Squares dot length, of course. Can we get the count? Let's check. Find out. Copying it, opening Chrome, and pasting it here. Open my console. Okay, we're getting the count correctly. So I don't need, but I need this. It's better. Chrome is better than Edge. Okay. Let's make it again. Sorry. More. Okay. Squares that for each item. What we want for these squares. Okay. Item dot style dot color. I want to have transparent. I don't the numbers to be seen, the initial state, because as soon as I click on the top, or what should I do? I'm gonna wait for 5 seconds after appear the squares. I'm gonna memorize them, and after that, everything will be good, transparent, right? Okay, that's great. But when I wanna do this happen, I'm gonna say set timeout. I'm gonna wait for how many milliseconds? 2000 milliseconds, which equals to 2 seconds. Okay. You see? I'm gonna refresh now the page. I wait for 2 seconds, I memorize them, and then every letter appears, but it's here. You see? We try to click it. Okay. What's next? What is next? What is next? Okay. Coming also here. I'm gonna say squares once more for each item, once more item that add event listener. I'm gonna do the click event listener. Which one? I'm gonna do the click event. I'm gonna do an arrow function. I'm gonna check it with my index, if it's equal or not. Your index will not be, should it be 0? Let me check. No, it will be 1. Okay. Okay. And also I want to put some item at style pointer events. I'm going to say none. I don't want it to be clickable. And after that, I'm going to say all goes is it okay or not? Oh, sorry. Here I'm going to say all. And out of this, I'm going to say none because I don't want to be clickable initial state. Okay. Here I'm going to say squares dot reach item. Now it's okay. I choose every single square. I did it for none, non-clickable, and after 2 seconds it's clickable in transparent mode. That's great. Now let's continue to our program. Here I'm going to say click events, and now we are controlling. I'm going to say, we'll do the if statement if our index equal with where text item dot text content, then I'm going to say console log correct, right? Let me check. F12. I'm going to transfer it parse. I'm going to convert it to number. Parse int. Okay. Let me convert to number and see what's going on. Correct. That's not correct. Okay. Okay. We are okay now. I'm going to do it a little bit bigger. I'm going to close this. Else, it's wrong. Console log wrong. Inside the exclamation double quote, I'm going to say wrong and see what's going on here. Wrong. Correct. Correct. Wrong. Okay. Okay. If now it's wrong, it's correct, excuse me. If our index equals to the text content of the square, what will happen? First of all, I'm going to play the sound. Correct. Dot play. I'm going to reset the time. Right. Dot current time, as I remember, will be 0. Let me do first. Then I'm going to say wrong. I'm going to say play. Okay. And then I'm going to say current time equals to 0. Okay, let me check if I'm opening the system. Oh, that's great. I'm going to put this down. I'm going to refresh the page. Oh, loud. Slow down the voice. It's wrong. Okay. If it's correct, what is happening now? I'm going to say item, that style, that background, will be green, and item, that style, that background, excuse me, the color of text will be white. I'm copying this also. I'm gonna make the same for wrong statement. Then will be red. Wait. Yes, correct. But this, because why this is happening? Because I don't increase the index. Okay. I also increase the index for 1. Let's check once again. Correct guess. Okay. What if we are correcting the order by the false state? No. Yes. What is happening? Okay. If we are guessing wrong, then where's that item? Not for each. Sorry. Where? Because I can't say once again item because I'm inside the item already. I'm gonna make another for each. I'm gonna say square dot style dot pointer event none, and after that I'm gonna say set timeout. I'm gonna wait here for 1 second, or we can increase it. I'm gonna say create squares, but also I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna check if we are at the first level, which our square count will be 2, and say if square count is bigger than 2, then I'm gonna say square count minus minus because we're in the rogue state. Okay. I'm gonna do also the winning state now. We are guessing, we are guessing, we are guessing, and after that I'm gonna check in one statement now. If I say index equal square count, then do this. Square count, I'm going to increase by 1. I'm going to wait for 1 second. and then I'm gonna say create squares. Okay. Let's check once again. Nope. And also the index will be again 1 because we're starting a new level. Also here, I'm going to reset the index 1. Okay. But lastly, I want to check this index equals with square counts. I put this below to the bottom of correct statement. And let's check if it's not working. Yeah, it's working. No. Let's guess once again. No, not doing. I'm gonna lower down a little bit the voice volume. Going down. We're waiting. 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, 4 times. 1. Oh no. You see, we're going 1 more down. I say 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's do it once again. 1, 2. Ah, no. Let's just 1, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not clickable anymore. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Okay. I'll say 1, 2. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Once more. 1, 2. Ah, no, don't do this. Let me guess once more. No. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2. Oh my god. This is too crazy. 1. No. Okay. If you stay until the end of the video, congratulations to you, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye.